Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Angel and I'm back again with another video. So guys, to my old subscribers, you are welcome. To my new subscribers, you are welcome. To my future subscribers, you guys are welcome. And to my bulk subscribers, Angel P is expecting you guys. So don't just pass without subscribing, liking or sharing. Help a sister. So guys, in today's video I'll be showing you guys my long waiting goods. Okay, my long waiting goods for my production. I've been waiting because I have quite a lot here. This is part of the goods. Everything here is a product. Okay, and I have this as well. These are my containers. I still have some here. And I still have this here. And I have this large luggage. Oh my god. Oh my goodness. Oh my god. Tomorrow you people be asking me where I get money to buy car. Okay, well, this is part of it. So guys, I will just be showing you guys the package, but I'm not going to open it. I don't have the whole time to open it. When I'm doing my production, you get to see some of the things I bought. So, and if you also make cream or some production and you want to know where I order my things from, I order direct from Nigeria. So in case you are looking for, my goodness Lord Jesus, these things are heavy. Let me bring down the camera so that you can see clearly. Okay. So in case you guys are looking for where to get your product from, you are in Italy or any other European country, you are looking for connection where you can get your products, just contact. We have some containers here, so you can see. Just contact me and I will introduce. I'm not going to die before my time in Jesus' name. Amen. So guys, all these are for production. All these packets are for production. Here we have another one. And this. And this. Carrying this load today, only God knows what I passed through. Only this one go over weigh 20 kilos. Jesus Christ. And so this. So I'm not doing something serious in this video. It's just to show you guys part of what I do for a living. Since I bought car from my uncle and everyone has been saying rubbish and this and that, it's not all your hustle you bring out on social media, but sometimes if it requires you to bring part of it to social media, it's fine. You know, sometimes when you are doing these things, people they don't support you. You understand? Until they see good results coming out from it, that is when they will know that they will be serious with their miserable life. Especially those ones that will just be commenting rubbish on your page. You understand? So the time they're supposed to use to do something reasonable with another, they'll be guarding, posting, intimidating you. You will see their post, you don't feel breathe. If I catch two of you upstairs,
who guard
you?
Who guard the issue for 3 months? Even Angel, you see.
So, when I not disturb me, You see, if people everything, I can't even what these things, I know how much they cost me. You understand? Claiming only this load is 800 euros. Just to claim this load is 800. To buy is 1,000 euros. So before you come out and be saying rubbish up and down, this one is even small. It's not up to all the things I want to produce, but because of one or two things, you have to start from somewhere. You see, all these things are products. All these things, and now I've showed you this thing. This one is big one, three, big small one, three that I bought. Before you people will say I'm repeating some things. No, our Nigerian people, they too, they talk both the one way they send and the one they not send them. You understand? So this life is not only work. It's not only work that I do for a living. I do a lot of different business, phone business, money business, production, YouTube, a lot of things, name it. So you don't do only one thing and relax and say your life don't finish. No, you understand? With one job you cannot earn a lot of money. With just one job, a family man, they know they work one work for abroad. Or if they work one work, make the work make it big. You understand? It's not easy. So guys, I will be leaving you guys here. I don't want this video too long. All these people where they come in now, let God go forgive you now. So I will be leaving you guys here because I have a lot of production to do tonight. People don't even they send money down. If you know say you there abroad though, come back. Not be organic, no worry. Now not be organic. Because that one na tomorrow video share. We'll talk about organic. One of they let people they do something and say that they do organic. You understand? So we talk about that organic part tomorrow. Love you all. See you. Please don't stop sharing your baby out. Don't forget to hit the like button. It's very important. Thank you all. See you in my next video.